HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hello kids, let's make a delicious and yummy cake. Let's begin. We shall make the candles for our cake first. Draw the cream of the cake. Ooh, love that part the most. Make 2 slanting lines and join them. Make 2 curvy lines in the middle. Let's give this a nice outline. Paint the flames of the candle yellow. Doesn't cake remind you of birthdays? Paint the top of the cake yellow. It's never a bad time to eat cake either. Let's use a little bit of blue and orange for the candles. Paint the bottom part of the cake orange. We're almost there. Wouldn't it be awesome to use a little green for the candle? Let's use some purple for the base. And finally, let's paint the last candle pink. And put some dots too. Ta-da! Our cake is ready. I can't wait to gobble it up.